Thinking of how to make macaroni like a pro, then this video is for you. And do you know that macaroni is one of the most versatile meal that is eaten around the world? Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bose. I'm a food blogger and I'm a food influencer in Lagos, Nigeria, and kindly subscribe. These are the ingredients we'll be using to make our recipe. So this is my carrot, my red bell pepper, and my spring onions. That's my vegetables, my grated onion, ginger and garlic powder. My smoked fish is also washed and deboned, grated onion, grated pepper and tomato, then cooking oil, macaroni, and 2 seasoning cubes. And these are all the ingredients we need. In a pot, we're just going to add water. That's to boil our macaroni. Then we're just going to cover it and allow it bring to a boil. While it's bringing to a boil, in another pot, we're just going to add our cooking oil. Then we're just going to add our grated onion and then mix together. And we're just going to allow this to saute for just 40 seconds. Then we're just going to add our roasted fish, deboned and washed. Then we're just going to do this, just match it a bit and then mix together and allow it to just sit in our onion for just some seconds. Next step is to add our grated tomato and pepper, then our ginger and garlic powder. Just a spoon of it is fine. Then we're just going to mix together again. Then our seasoning cube. Mind you, I was struggling with this because it's just so hard. I really don't understand seasoning cube these days. Maybe they want us to start using Ama in the kitchen. So I just added it inside like that and used my spatula to crush it and then mix together. At this stage, our sauce is ready. And this took between 4 to 5 minutes for our sauce to get ready, so we're just going to keep aside. So back to our macaroni. Our water is ready and we're just going to add salt to taste and then our macaroni inside, and then we're just going to mix together and then cover this and allow it to boil for just 5 minutes or until it is all dainty. At this stage, my macaroni is ready. Just take a look. And this is between 5 to 6 minutes on a medium heat. So all I had to do was just to sieve this. And I just kept my sauce back on fire and I just sieved this. I added it inside. And time for us to mix this together. I will always suggest you use a bigger pot when you're making a spaghetti or a pasta, because it's easier for you when you want to turn it. So after mixing, this is what we have. So in order for you to get the perfect macaroni, do not overcook your macaroni or else it's just going to look so soggy. So next step is just to add our vegetables, which is our spring onion, our red bell pepper and carrot, and to top it all with sesame oil. I always do this whenever I'm making my macaroni or my pasta. It just elevates the taste. So we're just going to mix together again and allow all ingredients to incorporate. And this is just so beautiful and so colorful. So I'm just going to add 2 scoops water of that's my pasta water, just 2 scoops. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes on the lowest heat. And after that, this is what we have. So I'm just going to turn again. At this stage, this is just so perfect. Our pasta is professionally well cooked. So all we have to do at this stage is just to serve. And this is what we have. Perfect. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable meal. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next.